On December 5, 2024, MBDA Italia and Leonardo formalized a strategic partnership through a Memorandum of Understanding (MOU) to develop directed energy weapons (DWs) for naval applications. This collaboration addresses the Italian Navy's growing need for counter-unmanned aerial vehicle (CUAV) systems capable of neutralizing threats posed by nano and microdrones. The new DWs will utilize dual power classes to adapt to various threat types and will be installed on both existing and future naval platforms, enhancing Italy's defense capabilities against emerging threats. The partnership designates MBDA as the design authority for a light fire unit, optimized for installation on existing naval platforms. These systems will operate with lower energy absorption, making them suitable for integration with current vessels such as the Bergamini-class FREMM frigates and the multipurpose offshore patrol vessels, PPA. Leonardo, on the other hand, will lead the development of a high-end fire unit design for new generation platforms like the FREMM EVO frigates and the upcoming offshore patrol vessels, OPVs. This division of labor ensures that the needs of both current and future naval operations are addressed. The light fire units will be effective against current threats, while the high-end systems will be capable of tackling more advanced or larger-scale challenges expected in the coming years. The development of these DWs is part of a broader initiative outlined in Italy's Defense Planning Document, DPP, for 2024 to 2026. The document emphasizes the acquisition of advanced CUAV systems, classified as conventional and direct energy, with an initial budget of €80 million allocated over 6 years and a total projected cost of €194 million. Although the MOU does not explicitly confirm a direct link to this program, it represents Italy's broader commitment to advancing defense technologies, including directed energy weapons. Directed energy weapons, particularly naval laser systems, have become a focal point for military powers worldwide due to their precision and cost-effectiveness in countering aerial threats like drones and missiles. The United States, for instance, has integrated the Helios laser system aboard the USS Preble to enhance defense capabilities in the Pacific. Similarly, China has incorporated laser weapons into its Type 071 amphibious transport dock, with plans to deploy them on submarines. In the UK, the Royal Navy is working on the Dragonfire system, set for deployment by 2027 to counter aerial and missile threats. Italy's partnership reflects a larger global trend where countries such as South Korea, France, and the United Kingdom are investing heavily in directed energy technologies for naval defense. As part of this trend, MBDA and Leonardo are contributing to Italy's growing presence in the laser technology sector, which aims to bolster the country's defense against modern security challenges. MBDA and Leonardo's collaboration will leverage the company's complementary expertise and cutting-edge facilities in Italy. While MBDA will focus on generating high-power laser beams, Leonardo will specialize in laser beam direction and target aiming systems. This combined effort, alongside the involvement of national supply chains, ensures the development of cutting-edge, cost-effective solutions to address Italy's defense needs. Additionally, the integration of these systems into naval combat platforms offers the potential for adaptation to land-based defense applications in the future. The project will contribute to Italy's strategic defense goals and may play a pivotal role in national security planning for years to come. The MOU between MBDA Italia and Leonardo marks a significant milestone in Italy's defense industry, which has not previously been involved in the development of directed energy weapons. By bringing together advanced capabilities from both companies, this partnership positions Italy to play a leading role in the development of naval laser systems and the broader field of directed energy technologies. With the ongoing advancements in laser systems worldwide, this collaboration underscores Italy's growing commitment to addressing modern naval threats through innovative, cost-efficient technologies. As nations increasingly turn to directed energy weapons as part of their defense arsenals, Italy's initiative with MBDA and Leonardo could serve as a model for future international collaborations in military technology.